Let's do a timestamp. It is now 3:37 p.m. and I haven't even made one stitch. Hi everybody, welcome to another Maze at Me Toys series, BTS and Yap. Today I'm going to be working on day 5 of my current series and I'm super excited to finally get started on the body. I need to finish the 4th leg today, add some wood into the other 3 legs as well as the 4th leg, and then start to join everything together so that I can start building the actual body and the main frame of this statue. If you've been following along, I've had some amazing guesses in the comments, some that even made me want to rethink what I'm actually doing because it's actually not too late to kind of change paths. But I'm going to stick to what I am planning on doing because that is what I got all of this yarn for. My plan of action is I'm going to get into the PJs, gonna make my matcha latte, get everything set up, and then we are gonna start and finish that 4th leg. So without further ado, let's go. Quick detour. I just got a message from my graphic designer telling me that I need to look at my updated website because I uploaded all of my tutorials for my crochet kits onto my website. Obviously they're password protected, and if you want to get them, then maybe you should buy a kit or something. So I'm quickly gonna go look at that. I'm very conscious of the time right now. It is 1:40 p.m. and because it is currently December, the sun's actually going to be setting in a few hours, so I want to get as much filming in sunlight as possible. And yeah, I gotta be quick, so let me stop talking and go fix this and then I'll be back. Okay, these are my PJs for today. I love these. These are from Amazon and they're really cute because they have these little horseshoes, little bulls, cows, says rodeo, and cactus. It's so cute. Super cowgirl chic. I love it. Okay, we're gonna make our matcha and then we're gonna get started. And please disregard the way that my apartment looks right now. I am in the process of shipping out hundreds of crochet kits and I literally have turned my place into a warehouse. So we are doing what we can with what we have. Anyways, let's make our matcha. Okay, now that I've got my matcha, I am ready to get started on the 4th leg. This is the 3rd leg, and the 4th leg is gonna look hopefully identical. If it's not, then it's okay. It's literally fine. There's always things that I can change with filling, adding some more in some areas and less in other areas. I'm gonna get started on the 4th leg. The time is now 2:37 p.m. Let's check back in when I finish and I'll let you know what time it is and how long it took me to finish that leg. Okay, so I said the time that I was starting at. That's actually wrong. My sister called me and asked me if I could bring her some stuff downstairs because she has solid core in, well, it started 5 minutes ago, but she's gonna be late. So I have to go bring her these clothes downstairs, and my mom called me to tell me a story. So I'm gonna get back to you guys in a second. Let's do a timestamp. It is now 3:37 p.m. and I haven't even made one stitch. So I also changed into these sweatpants that I got from Nike and my university sweater, and I am now going to put back on my PJs. I was literally just telling my mom the reason why doing the series in PJs is great is for the aesthetic. The inconvenience is that anytime I have to leave my house, it's gotta change my clothes. I look really crazy outside on the street with some PJs on. So let's get back into our PJs and then let's get started for real. I was about to start and then I realized that I have yet to edit day 3. So I'm gonna edit day 3 and do the voiceover. The time is now 3:42. Guys, this was not supposed to happen. I was supposed to start at 1 p.m. But this is literally what happens almost every single day. So let's edit the video, do our voiceover, and then schedule it to post on all platforms. Okay? The time is now 4:01 and I just finished cutting up my video for day 3. So now I'm gonna mute the clip and then I'm gonna record my voiceover. I use this DJI mic. I think it's the Mic Mini or Mic Mimo. I'm gonna use this to record my voiceover, but the hack, because I don't think this mic alone is the greatest, and maybe it's just the settings that I have it on, but I do record my voiceovers in my closet. I think the acoustics in my closet are spectacular. Like, even without the mic, I can record amazing, like, very clear audio in my closet. So I just plugged in the receiver into my phone, and then I'm just gonna hold this in my hand, and I'm gonna go in my closet, and I'll be back and let you know how long it took me to do it. The time is now 4:25, and I just finished editing day 3. So I'm gonna schedule it to post on all platforms, and then I'm gonna get it started. Finally. Posted on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok.
Pay me fair wages.
Okay. Okay, timestamp update. It is 4:37. I'm finally getting started. I'm getting my sister to edit my day 3 long form because clearly I haven't gotten to that yet. So, mark 4:37. That's the time that we're actually starting at, not like 2:40, whatever it was the first time that I said it. Okay, we're gonna finish this leg, and then hopefully we're gonna get some wood attached. It's like wishful thinking at this point, but I'm really hoping that we can do it.
14 mammals went missing, and all 14 have been found by our newest recruit.
The time is now 5:28, and I just finished the second back leg. I'm now gonna stuff it. I already put the piece of plywood at the bottom that I already cut, but now I'm gonna stuff it to see if it's actually the same, because I can't tell if it's the same, and my pattern has been such a mess. So I'm hoping that it looks at least similar. As I said earlier, like, there's a lot that I can do with stuffing alone, but this is what it looks like, and let's get her stuffed. Now that I finished all 4 of them, I labeled the black legs with this green yarn, and then I put this blue yarn on the front ones just so I could kind of tell the difference, because they honestly look kind of the same. And just because of the way that they're stuffed, that also kind of impacts the way they look. Like, this one looks kind of crazy right now. This one looks okay. The back ones look all right, but this one specifically looks janky. So I usually line them up like this so that I can tell how to measure the wood, because obviously the next step would be to take all the filling out and then to put the 2x4s in the bottoms. But because of the way that they're lined up right now, I feel like this size makes sense, and this is also kind of like the size that I was going for. Each leg is about, I think, probably about like 2 feet tall, which is great because it's not going to end up being too big. But I am going to now measure out my wood so that I can figure out where to cut, and then I'm honestly going to do the cuts tomorrow and then add all of that in tomorrow. I just need to make sure that I finish today with all the measurements so that I can kind of just set myself up for tomorrow. I decided to abandon my iPad because clearly the pencil is not working, but I needed to write things down. So I put all the legs together, and then I measured about how long I want the distance to be from front to back and then from side to side. I then measured how tall each leg was, and I took the measurement of that. So right now I know what cuts I need to make with my wood. So I'm currently just measuring out everything, and then I'm just marking like this right here. This is 20 inches, and then I know that it's up till that line. I'm going to cut another 20 and then a 16 out of this piece of wood that I have here. And I also need to go get more wood, because after I'm done this, I'm going to have to cut 2 12s. So I'm going to need 2 more feet worth of a 2x4, but then I'm also going to want wood to put up into the neck bone. So I'm probably just going to get a 6-foot piece of a 2x4 because I'm not going to need that much. So yeah, just going to make these cuts and then going to wrap it up for today. Honestly, anytime that the sun sets and then it just gets like dark outside, I'm just like, time to wrap up filming, because I have other things that I do, like Maze and Me Toys related, so I don't really feel like it's the hour for this anymore. Like, this is coming to a close. Unfortunately, it was cut very short today because I did have a bunch of other things that I had to do. But the time is now 6:05. So we really only got like a solid like hour and a half, 2 hours out of filming today, but that is honestly fine. This really is just like, right now this series is my hobby. Like, usually I treat a series like it's work. This series is strictly for fun. This is taking off my stress, but it's also like forcing me to have to like spend time with myself, which is why I fell in love with crocheting to begin with, was because it just gave me that quality time with myself. But yeah, gonna make these last few marks and then we are gonna be done.